Hello guys, it is Sad Truth here, and today I'm gonna teach you step by step on how to relax your mind from maybe anger or hurt from somebody's mistreating you. So you have anger, you are overexcited, so you need to relax your mind. So today I'm gonna teach you the best ways where you can get relax in your mind. By the way, today we're gonna see about 4 steps on how to relax. By the way, the first step could be physiological mechanisms. The second one could be the 5 4 3 2 1 mechanisms. The third one could be muscle relaxation, and the last one could be the mind offloading or mental offloading. Starting with the first mechanism, I have said that it is a physiologic. In this way, you have to take breathing, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. What I mean here, you have to inhale the air using your nose deeply in a duration of 5 seconds and keep exhaling up to 6 seconds as well. Then you being quiet without breathing for about 6 seconds again. Let's do it together. Okay, so we have used the 18 seconds, by the way, so you can repeat this up to 5 minutes. You have a short break, by the way, of 30 seconds is okay, but make sure that inhalation takes 6 seconds, exhalation takes 6 seconds as well, and relaxing without breathing takes 6 seconds as well. Then you can take a rest of 30 seconds, then the process is continued up to 5 minutes in this sequence. That is the step number 1. The step number 2, I said the 5 4 3 2 1 technique. In this way, you have to avoid, by the way. So what are you going to avoid, by the way? There are the things that you must avoid so as to relax up your mind. The first thing, you have to avoid things that you see, avoiding things that you can physically feel, and the things that you can hear, things you can smell, and the things you can taste. If all these things trigger your anxiety or hurt or heartbreak, so please make sure you make this 5 4 3 2 technique consecutively in a duration of full day. The full day you need to relax, maybe bed and sleep inside your room and do things that are not triggering you from being in anxiety or hurt or anger, by the way. Okay, let's go to the step number 3. The step number 3, I have said that this step will involve the muscle relaxation. You have to relax in a calm, cool, silent environment. Just stay quiet, stay relaxed, and you can have drinks that have no past history of being in your triggering for any maybe anxiety or anger. Maybe a cold water is okay. Relax. Okay, and the last step, I have said that it is a mental offloading. Okay, in this 4th step, you need to offloading all the things that hurting you, all the things that making you anger, all the things that change your mood. How? You need to have a piece of paper and good pen. So you have to write, to list up all the things that are maybe hurting you, making you anger or change your mood into a negative way. So list down all the things, then take that paper or papers maybe, and go to the burning flame, fire, and burn it. And assuming that your mind, you are burning all evils, all the triggering of your anger or anxiety. So by doing all these things, I'm assuring you that you will be free from anxiety, free from anger, and free from bad mood. Okay, it is the sad truth I have said here. So if you found any interest from this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for further tutorials. And